Welcome to the dazzling city of Las Vegas, where the fun doesn't stop at the casino floor. Today, we're diving into the top 5 pools that make Vegas the ultimate destination for sun-soaked relaxation and vibrant poolside experiences. Get ready to discover where luxury meets leisure in Sin City. First up, we have the Venetian's Canyon Ranch Pool. Nestled within the stunning Venetian resort, this pool area is nothing short of a desert oasis. With its lush landscaping, cascading waterfalls, and serene atmosphere, it offers a tranquil escape from the bustling strip. The Canyon Ranch Pool features multiple swimming pools, a hot tub, and private cabanas that are perfect for lounging in style. For those looking to stay active, there's also a lap pool for your exercise needs. Plus, the adjacent Canyon Ranch Spa provides a range of rejuvenating treatments to complete your relaxation experience. Next, we head to the iconic Bellagio Pool Complex. Known for its elegance and sophistication, the Bellagio Pool area is designed with a Mediterranean flair. There are 5 distinct pools surrounded by lush gardens, each offering a unique atmosphere. Whether you're lounging by the tranquil main pool, enjoying the view from one of the cabanas, or sipping on a cocktail at the poolside bar, the Bellagio's pool complex ensures a luxurious and memorable experience. Don't forget to check out the seasonal poolside events and live entertainment. For those who love a lively party scene, Encore Beach Club is a must-visit. Located at the Encore Las Vegas, this pool transforms into one of the hottest day clubs in the city. With its expansive layout, 3-tiered pools, and stylish cabanas, Encore Beach Club is the place to be if you're looking for high-energy fun and world-class DJs. The venue also features a range of gourmet food options and creative cocktails, making it a perfect spot for those who want to dance, socialize, and enjoy top-notch entertainment. If you're craving a beach-like experience right in the heart of the desert, Mandalay Bay Beach is your destination. This unique pool area boasts a massive 11-acre aquatic playground with a wave pool, a lazy river, and real sand. It's as close as you can get to a tropical beach without leaving Las Vegas. The beachside cabanas, daybeds, and a variety of dining options make it an ideal spot for families and groups looking to enjoy a fun and relaxing day by the water. And if you're up for a bit of excitement, check out the seasonal pool parties and special events. Last, but certainly not least, the Cosmopolitan's Boulevard Pool offers a chic and modern pool experience with stunning views of the Las Vegas Strip. The Boulevard Pool is known for its stylish design, featuring a large pool area with private cabanas, poolside games, and a vibrant atmosphere. It's a fantastic spot for enjoying a refreshing swim during the day or catching a movie under the stars at one of the pool's regular movie nights. The pool's sleek design and lively ambience make it a popular choice for those looking to blend relaxation with a touch of glamour. And there you have it, 5 of the best pools in Las Vegas, each offering its own unique twist on luxury and leisure. Whether you're seeking relaxation, excitement, or a bit of both, these pools are sure to provide the ultimate Vegas experience. So grab your swimsuit, pack your sunscreen, and get ready to dive into some unforgettable fun in the sun. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Las Vegas's top pool destinations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and adventure guides.